If you notice your Xiaomi or Poco phone has been charging only up to 80%, it could be that smart charging is currently enabled. And if you want to go past 80%, here's where you can go to turn it off or even turn it on. With Android 15 and HyperOS 2, the fastest way or guaranteed way to find this feature, use the quick access, tap on the settings toggle right here. And once in this section here, you'll go down until you see battery right there. And once here now, you're going to see battery protection right there. And as you enter here, you will see charging protection and you'll see smart charging. And it tells you that it's going to charge up to 80%. Now, of course, this will sometimes stay on and sometimes it will disable depending on the situations as it mentions here. And to turn it off and just keep it off, just go ahead and turn that off and your phone will charge up to 100%. Now, if you don't see smart charging here, then maybe your phone just doesn't have it. And also if you do use the search bar and it doesn't show up, that's because for some odd reason, even if you use the search bar here and you type in the word smart charging, it doesn't really give you the suggestion for some reason. So yeah, but that's how you would find it. Like and sub.